Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the current primary console switch and its management IP. You need that baseline. Once done, backup running and start up configs to external storage so you can revert if necessary. Next, make sure you have both physical serial and SSH access ready, plus credentials with enable/admin rights. Notify users and set a maintenance window. With those prerequisites in place, power on the replacement if it's not already, and connect console and management cables to begin migration. You now transfer and adapt the configuration to the new switch. Start by ensuring firmware compatibility. Mismatched images cause subtle failures. Copy the saved config, then edit critical values: hostname, management IP, VLAN, ACL, and console-related parameters so they match the network plan. Next, confirm routing entries, spanning tree priorities, and stacking/virtual switch roles. You must set the switch priority so it becomes primary. While applying changes, monitor logs and keep a console session open in case you change the priority or role so the replacement assumes the primary console duties. Save the config and reboot only if the platform requires it. Once active, verify the switch with show commands: interfaces, VLAN, routing, SDP, and system logs. Run end-to-end connectivity tests to management hosts. Make sure remote console access and automation tools connect correctly. If something fails, immediately restore the backed-up config, revert physical connections, and reopen the old primary to minimize downtime. This is your single most important troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.